In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropship Io to Shopify. This process will open up a world of opportunities for your e-commerce business, making it easier to manage products and streamline your operations. So, let's dive right into it and make your dropshipping experience smoother and more efficient. First, ensure you have both a Shopify account and a Dropship Io account. If you haven't signed up for these services yet, go ahead and do so to get started. Once you're all set with both accounts, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is where the foundation of this integration begins. On your dashboard, look for the Apps section, which you'll find in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the Apps page. Now that you're on the Apps page, notice the Customize Your Store button at the top right corner. Click on it, and it will lead you to Shopify's App Store. You'll find a search bar there. Type in Dropship Io and hit Enter. You'll see various results, but make sure to find the official Dropship Io app. Once you locate it, click on the app, which will direct you to its main page. Here, you'll need to hit Add App to initiate the installation process. Now, a new page will open up, asking for your authorization to connect Dropship Io with your Shopify store. This is an important step. Click Install App to give Dropship Io permissions to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. Don't worry, it's a secure process, and these permissions are necessary for the app to manage orders and products efficiently. Once the installation is complete, the Dropship Io dashboard will automatically open. Here's where you begin setting up your preferences. You want to customize the settings to suit your business needs, so take some time to explore and adjust any options that are relevant to your store. It's crucial to have your product categories aligned with what you're offering. This small step helps in maintaining consistency and organization across both platforms. When that's done, test out the connection by adding a product on Dropship Io and ensuring it syncs correctly with your Shopify store. This will give you confidence that your stores are communicating properly. Simply go back to your Dropship Io dashboard, pick a product and add it. Check in Shopify to confirm that the product shows up there seamlessly. So there you have it. You've successfully connected Dropship Io to Shopify. This connection is now set to simplify how you handle new inventory, process orders, and keep everything up to date, saving you precious time and effort. Remember, integrating these platforms will enhance your store management and enable you to focus more on marketing and customer satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support either through Shopify's Help Center or Dropship Io's customer service. Thanks for tuning in, and happy dropshipping!